In this video, we are going to learn how to send unlimited emails using AI. What we are going to do in this video is that we are going to learn how to send bulk emails using AI, how to create a bulk email sender using AI, then also how to send unlimited bulk emails that goes to inbox using AI. Now, before we show you step by step how we create this particular software, all we need to do now is for us to let's test it. So for instance, now this is the software we are going to create. Use what we call our AI master prompt. So let's first of all test it. So the very first thing we'll do before you use this to send bulk email, we just have to click here and click here on settings. So here you now put your sender name. So here I want my sender name to just be my name, then my reply to email, which is my email, and all that. So I am now telling it to delay each emails in 2 seconds so that the server will not see that you are sending bulk emails at once. So it will be sending one email every 2 seconds. This is why it goes to inbox, and I can do batch of 50. I can increase it, but daily in one SMTP, that is like Gmail SMTP, you can do 500 on a daily basis. So that's that. So the next thing I'll talk about is our SMTP. So this is where you put your SMTP now. So let me just add one new Gmail SMTP. Now you don't just use anyhow Gmail. You have to use a UK Gmail account. Now when you join our community, we'll show you how you get this Gmail account and use it to send unlimited. Now I've copied the password. All I'll do here now is just to click here on post. So you can see it here automatically. It brought out the SMTP host, the port, the encryption. Then I'll just click here on add new account. So if you look at it now, you see that I have 3 SMTP. Now, when you have this your Gmail account, let's say for instance, if you have this UK Gmail account, each SMTP can send like 500 on a daily basis. So if you have like 10 SMTP, you can do 5,000 and thereabouts. You get it. So the most important thing is you get clean emails and you send bulk emails using it. So the next thing I'll do here is I'll just click here on send emails. So here you put the title of your email. Let me say how to make money online or something. Then the body of the email, please don't write too much like that so that your email will not go to spam and all that. So let me just also use this and say how to make money online from the comfort of your home. Okay, this is just a test video. I don't want it to be too long. So the next thing I'll do, I'll now choose SMTP. I can choose this 3 SMTP. It will be rotating each of the SMTP to send. But let me just put just this one that I've just had here. And the next thing I'll do is to enter your email address. You get it. Okay, so let me copy some of my email address now. So I don't want it to take so much time. Let me just put some few emails that I can test. So the first thing I'll do here, I'll click on validate emails. So it assumes that this email has been validated and all the emails are okay. So once I'm through here, I'll just click here on lodge campaign. So now it will say your emails is now being sent. So remember what I said? I said it should delay 5 seconds like that on each of the emails. Are you saying it? So every 5 seconds it will be sending. So I can come here now and see campaign history. It will show you all the emails. So you can see now that it's still sending because I put it has sent 3, remain the last one. You get it because of the way I set it so that it will not go to spam. So let me go back to the history now. You can see that it is fully completed. Are you getting it? Okay. So this is the dashboard. It will now show you everything. You can see success rate 90%, SMTP 3, and these are the emails that it has sent. So let me now go to my inbox now to check it. So this is the first email that I had. So you can see now that it's here, is on my inbox. So you can see it here now. So this is the email. So let me check the second one now. Let me refresh the page. So you can see it here. It also goes to inbox, the second email, which is on a Gmail. So let me also check this one. Let me just refresh it. So you can see it now. This one too also goes to inbox. This is my email. So you can see that it's on inbox. Then what's the last one? The last one should be, once you join our online community, we'll give you this master prompt, and we'll also show you how you can use real PHP, Python, and all these other scripts to create this master prompt. So it's not just a master prompt where you just go to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt to do, it will give you rubbish. This one now, we've added all kind of things to this master prompt. It has several pages. So all you need to do is just to look for any AI builder like Google AI Studio or lovable.dev or thereabout. But I don't want this video to be too long. So all I'll need to do is just to click here on paste. Once you click here on paste now, depending on the speed of your internet, it will now create this software for you and all that. Then you can now tell it to add some other things like that to do for you. So now, how do you get this master prompt? How do you get our advanced guide where we'll teach you how you do this software? It's strictly copy and paste. In fact, a 5-year-old boy can create this software easily. It is copy and paste. The only thing that is required in this software is to change the name. There is somewhere in the software where we put things like you can change the name. So yeah, you can change the name, you can change the colors. We'll teach you how to do all that. It's so simple and all that. So in order for you to get this master prompt, all you need to do is to join our online community. You can go to Seller and join it. As of today, we are increasing the price from anytime soon, but you can join the community today. These are the kind of things you learn. These are the kind of master prompts that I will give to you. Facebook Lead Finder, Instagram, Celebrity, Google Map, and many kind of software that will teach you using AI master prompt. It is strictly copy and paste. You are not doing any coding. You don't need to know any coding. You are not buying anything. You are using free host to host the software and all that. So that's all we'll teach you. So let me go back to our site to check. So I think it's still building it. Okay. So this is how the site will look like once it's finished done. So you can see how it is now. This is the app. This is the software. This is everything. You can add your SMTP and all that. You can make tweaks. You can see at the site. You can write more prompts. You can change everything, and you can see these are all the SMTPs that I've put on it. So it's very easy to create the software. It's just a copy and paste. It's very, very simple. You just change the software name, software colors, add all that in. The AI builder will also teach you and tell you what else you need to do and all that. So it's a simple process. So you can also join our blog. On our blog, we'll post different content on AI, how to build websites, softwares, all that kind of things that you need. So you go to touristschool.com and you get all our posts and all that. So lastly, you join our community, get this master prompt. Once you get this master prompt, you put it on your AI builder and you use it to build this AI software. Thanks for watching this video.